Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. I hope you all are having a fabulous day, a fabulous night, whatever time it is, wherever you are. But let's dive right in as we unbox this amazing Max Yo-Yo Giant beanbag. This thing is a game changer. It's packed with possibilities. Now watch as Kemar fluffs out the beanbag, bringing it to life with just a few shakes. It's like magic in his hands, and look how plush it becomes.
Alright, this is the beanbag. So guys, you got to ruffle it up to get it out.
Check this out. Not only is it incredibly comfortable, but it also comes with a handy pocket to store your essentials.
Oh, you good? Yeah. But I still want to ruffle up more.
Oh. Perfect for those cozy, lazy days. Now it's time for the transformation. All it does is locate the zipper, open it, take off the cover, and fluff it out.
So transforming from the beanbag, people. So we are going to our queen size bed. Our full bed.
And voila, the beanbag turns into a luxurious bed effortlessly. Here we are, relaxing and enjoying the softness and support of this bed. The faux fur material is not only incredibly soft to touch, but also breathable, making it perfect for any season. Now, we'll show you how easy it is to convert it back into a beanbag. Working as a team, it's quick and simple. Just zip it up, give it a fluff, and jump right in. The material is velvety and smooth, providing a luxurious feel every time you sit. I cannot stress this enough. This isn't just a beanbag, it's a faux fur convertible that unfolds into a cozy bed in seconds. What I love about this giant beanbag is that it's packed with high-density foam, ensuring long-lasting comfort and durability. All in all, this Max Yo-Yo Giant beanbag is a revolutionary addition to any living room space, combining style, comfort, and functionality.
So good.